How to auto adjust brightness for your video feed in a Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can configure the auto brightness function, using which your feed automatically appears brighter or dimmer according to your own lighting conditions. So this is helpful and this makes your video or presentation looks better. So let me show you how you can configure this. So to do this, simply click onto the settings and more three dots just besides your profile picture. Once you do this, you can click onto this settings option again, or you can also come to this page by simply pressing the control and the comma button. Now, once you're inside the settings, you have this tab that says devices. So simply click onto devices, and within the devices, you will need to scroll down towards the bottom. And within this video tab, you will see this setting that says adjust brightness, enhance the quality of your video in low light conditions. So make sure that this is enabled, and if this is enabled, then your brightness will be automatically adjusted according to low lighting conditions. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.